Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and use the network statistics utility IPTraf-ng for Linux systems. IPTraf-ng is part of a Linux distribution and can be installed on role-based distributions such as CentOS Stream, Fedora, Rocky Linux, and Alma Linux using the following yum command from the terminal. In this case, we will install on OS Alma Linux 9. Once IPTraf-ng is installed, run the following command from the terminal to launch an ASCII-based menu interface that will allow you to view current IP traffic monitoring, general interface statistics, detailed interface statistics, statistical breakdowns, LAN station monitors, filters, and also provide some configure options where you can configure as per your need. The IPTraf interactive screen displays a menu system with different options to choose from. Here are some options that show real-time IP traffic counts, interface statistics, etc. Using IPTraf-ng, I will immediately start the IP traffic monitor on a particular interface. For example, the following command will start the IP traffic on interface ETH0. This is the primary interface card that is attached to your system. You can also monitor all your network interface traffic using the argument IPTraf-ng all. Similarly, you can also monitor TCP/UDP traffic on a specific interface, using the following command. If you want to know more options and how to use them, use the following command for more parameters.